So here we are at the official opening of Ian Shand and Lorna's Brass Bands greenhouse, built by Trout and Big Doug. So let's all put our glasses together for a fine effort there, and a gentle speech from Trout first of all. How was it, Trout?
It was stressful.
But you got there in the end.
In the end, it's our own make of it.
Yes, lots of improvisation.
There's lots of improvisation.
Right, I was Ian Shand took them out actually to make a laugh. Big Doug, how was it for you?
It was our own personal Monroe mountain we had to climb.
But you got there.
Successfully done it.
Look at this little finish here with the little basket shelf. That is tremendous. Yep, you can put your wine on it and everything. Now I'm in the little greenhouse. Now this is what's all going on. I do enjoy my red wine. This one's one from the Italian Foothills, and it's one the first time I've had it. My mum brought it through for me some daffodils last weekend. So Horace McTavish is in the little greenhouse at the moment. I don't know what we'll grow in here at the moment. Any ideas what we could grow in here?
Carrots.
Yeah, I'd probably say some peppers, maybe a mixed light pepper.
Yes. What about some
Definitely some tomatoes.
sweet corn?
Black beauty aubergines.
Aubergine.
Black beauty. I don't know if that's racist, but if there are gollywogs growing them, it might
That's
be.
what they're called, black beauty.
Black beauty. We'll go over and see.
Check out the name.
Let's see.
Black beauty aubergine.
So here's, oh fuck, nearly went over my ankle. So here's some of the stuff in here. Look at that. That's sweet corn. Sweet bounty. I do enjoy sweet bounty and sweet corn. It's rather delicious. Now we've got here pepper traffic light mix. You don't know what that means. There's a purple in it. I've never seen purple in the traffic lights. Certainly unusual. We'll leave you at the moment as we go and enjoy the official opening and fix it into position as we set it off and we sail it down the docks of the Clyde. Look at that. What a finish. There's your dinner. Good night.